Welcome back to Product Critique,
your go-to channel for in-depth product analysis.
Today, we're diving into what might just be the best gaming desk on the market, the Korfile computer gaming desk.
Packed with features designed to enhance your gaming experience, let's see what sets this desk apart. The Korfile gaming desk isn't just any desk, it's crafted for gamers who demand both style and functionality. Sporting a sleek carbon fiber black finish, this desk measures 47 inches across, providing ample space for all your gaming gear.
Say goodbye to tangled cords. The Korfile desk comes equipped with 3 AC power outlets and 2 USB charging ports, conveniently placed under the display stand for easy access. Enhance your gaming ambiance with customizable RGB LED lights.
Whether you prefer a tranquil blue or a vibrant red, the remote-controlled lighting adds flair to your setup. Designed with gamers in mind, it includes a built-in cup holder and headphone hook that can be adjusted to suit your preferences. The reversible feature allows flexibility in setup, catering to different room layouts. The desk features a stable double Z-shaped leg design with adjustable leg pads, ensuring it stays steady even on uneven floors. It can support up to 220 pounds, making it durable for all your gaming essentials. If you're serious about gaming, the Korfile gaming desk offers everything you need in one sleek package. Its blend of functionality, style, and durability makes it a standout choice in the market today. Whether you're battling foes or working from home, this desk ensures you do so comfortably and with style. To wrap it up, the Korfile computer gaming desk is not just a piece of furniture, it's an essential part of your gaming arsenal. With its integrated power outlets, LED lights, and thoughtful design, it's clear why this desk is a favorite among gamers. If you're looking to elevate your gaming experience, look no further. That's all for today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.
Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned to Product Critique for all your tech and gaming gear insights. See you soon!